So you think you're ready to install AI in your company, you're really committed to that motion forward in your small business. Hi, this is Dr. Kirch of Profit Minds, and we work with small business owners like you, CEOs, leaders in companies, to help them grow the value of their business by leveraging the power of AI through profit growth, through productivity, and business scaling. So if you want to put AI in your company, I'm going to give you 3 steps that you need to do to implement AI. The first thing you need to do is you need to have an AI policy. And what I mean by that is, and I've talked about this in other videos, but just in short, you need to decide what you can and can't do with AI, maybe what platforms you should do or not, what platforms you should or should not use, and what kind of data. And then how are you going to make sure that it's checked and it's really right, because AI still hallucinates. Okay, so that's step 1. Step 2 is you got to communicate the policy. You got to make sure everybody understands, and you have to help them understand, all of your employees, why it is that AI is going to be of benefit, not just to the company, but to them personally. And then finally, you need to roll it out company-wide. This needs to be a bottom-up thing, because you've entrusted each employee to do his or her job. So they're the person who knows what good looks like. And so when the AI does an output for them, or they have an interaction, they're able to tweak that interaction and tweak that output to make it best for their position. So again, 3 things: an AI policy, communicate, and then implement bottoms up. If you want to talk more, the link is below. Thanks, and have a grateful day.